Good morning, children. So we write question number 5. Okay, just discuss this question. 5. For your information, I am discussing this question with you. So question is, what measures have been taken to deal with calamities such as floods and landslides under the disaster management program in Maharashtra? It's a general question. So this is a question. So let's discuss. In Maharashtra, all districts have their own disaster management plan to deal with calamities such as floods and landslides. Okay, generally in Maharashtra, floods occur, also some area landslides occur. So in Maharashtra, there is a disaster management plan. Okay, so what is it? So let's discuss this plan. The plan deals extensively with the emergency and evacuation measures to be taken up in case of flood and landslide. Okay. Then the district level disaster management plan has detailed information about geographical details, means kahan pe hua hai disaster, where it disaster occurs, then population, kitni population hai wo area mein, then flood prone areas, kaun se area mein flood hua hai, that is the flood prone areas, villages and other macro details कि वहां पे फूड सप्लाई हो रहा है कि नहीं, मेडिसिन सप्लाई हो रहा है कि नहीं, that all information the district level disaster management plan has detailed information about geographical areas. Okay, then nearly 14 such key departments are engaged in disaster mitigation measures, and each one has been assigned a specific task to do at times of natural disaster. Okay, then the administration is now training master trainers at the district level, who in turn will train key persons at village and taluka levels to deal with a natural disaster. वहां पे ट्रेनर्स का यूज होता है जिनको अच्छे से जो डिजास्टर में है हर एक चीज की उनको ट्रेनिंग दी है. सपोज फ्लड है तो उनको स्विमिंग, बोट चलाना, वो सब चीजों की ट्रेनिंग, माउंटेनिंग को चढ़ना, रस्सी से खींचना. सो all the trainers are used in that time. Then the administration through radio, jingles, public advertisements and other measures is informing people about how to react at times of floods and landslides. Okay. Then currently the Indian Meteorological Department, that is the IMD, Indian Meteorological Department की जो हमें वेदर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते, that is Meteorological Department, gives weather forecast on daily basis and for the next 5 days with advice to farmer on when to start crop sowing and harvesting etc. So they give information to farmers also. कि कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि बारिश हो जाती, जब भी कब आपको क्रॉप सो करना है, कब हार्वेस्ट करना है, कैसे करना है. So that all information that given by the meteorological department to the farmers. So this is the big role the measures have been taken to deal with the calamities such as floods and landslides. Okay, then this is the answer. So for your information, I am telling this answer. Then next question, which is in your syllabus, that is, with reference to disaster management, what are the things in your house that you will check? Okay, it is also very much important. So in case of disaster management, in the disaster management, what are the things in your house that you will check? कौन सी thing हमें checking करनी है. So first is with reference to disaster management. With reference to disaster management, we should keep the following things at home and check it regularly. Okay, first is keep proper first aid kit at the handy place. You should have first aid kit. में पढ़ा है in your previous classes which things are keep we should keep in your first aid box, like thermometer, some medicine, some antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream, bandage. So all the things we should keep in our first aid box. So our first aid box should be kept in handy place, easily it can be available. Then keep all the electric connection in proper condition. Regularly you should check the electric connection. Then keep the gas line or tube connection proper. Gas line भी आपको जो कि गैस है उससे भी एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, so you should check it regularly. Then you should check the connection properly. Then keep self-powered flashlights and self-powered radios also with you for giving information from the radio. Radio gives us information about disaster management. Then keep non-perishable food which will last for a week. ऐसा आपके पास जैसे बिस्किट पैकेट से आपको अपने पास रखने चाहिए, means it non-perishable food which will last for a week. Then keep a fire extinguisher handy and in proper condition. Then keep updated telephones, diary which should have emergency phone numbers. So you have to, these things we should have to know in case of disaster management. Okay, so this is about the question answers of this lesson. So then 2 projects do you have in your syllabus? So first project is with the help of the internet, collect information about the places where a calamity has occurred. So various places are found are given on the internet where the calamities occur. So आपको है कि फ्लड के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करनी है फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट, गूगल पे सर्च करो और इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करो उसके ऊपर से, दैट इज फ्लड, सुनामी, साइक्लोन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन, वोल्केनिक इरप्शंस. Then collect information from the internet about how cyclone storms are named. आपको पता है कि साइक्लोन को और एक साइक्लोन को नेम दिया जाता है, नाम दिया जाता है. So how the cyclone storms are named, you should know this. Okay children, so this is about the project of in this lesson. Then some few more question answers, that is the, can you tell, is it possible to prevent the loss of life caused by lightning? Yes, it is possible to prevent the loss of life caused by lightning by taking few precautions. Okay, then next, here we finish the lesson and some few more information about this lesson. So you have to draw few more diagrams. आपको डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करनी है ये लेसन की. एक तो लेसन की है वोल्केनो. दिस पिक्चर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इन योर कॉपी, वोल्केनो डायग्राम. ओके, देन okay, so draw this or write some questions also. I'm writing on the board. Please note down these questions in your copy. So write down. Extra question. Extra fill-ups. Write down. Okay. First one is celebrated as dash. Means celebrated as International Day for disaster management. For disaster reduction. Disaster reduction. So answer is 13 October. 13 October. Okay, it's the answer. Write down this answer. Then second one is a Japanese word which means harbor bay. Okay, that is tsunami. Tsunami is in Japanese, that is harbor bay. Third one is a cloudburst occurred at. No. Write down the next one. Third one is the government of India established the dash in 1976. In 1976. Okay, the answer will be the National Food Commission. Okay, National Food Commission. National Food Commission. Okay, there are some extra fill-ups you should know. In case of match the pair also it can be asked in exam. 13th October disaster reduction day in this way. So Japanese word of harbor wave, that is tsunami, and National Food Commission means Government of India established when in 1976. Okay, so children, now here we finish this lesson, that is disaster management. Next video we will continue with another new topic. So bye everyone.